Are you out of ideas on how to prank your friends? Don't worry, we've got a few awesome ones that'll make you laugh out loud. Take correction fluid and wet wipes. Test it on your hands first. The correction fluid makes your fingers white and sticky. Pour it in the wipes. Let it soak. Add more. Close the pack. It's not the end. We need pastel or color chalk. Cover each finger with a separate color. Done! You're ready to visit your friend. Guess who? Surprise! Hi, darling! Why are they looking at me so oddly? It was just a feeling. Let's take a selfie. Cheese! Oops! What's this? Aha! That's why they stared at me. It's the right time to offer her special wipes. She understood and knew there was something wrong with the wipes. Otherwise, she would have to wash off both the pastel and correction fluid. You won't spend much time on preparing your next prank. We'll need a cardboard box, scissors, paper, and a marker. Mark the width of a paper strip. Cut it out. Write the phrase, "I am homeless, help me." Attach it to the box using stationery glue. Hold it, I'll be back in a minute. Put something in the box, then she won't suspect anything. We've put it on a can of Pepsi. What's happening? Aha, I see. You're still playing tricks. Okay, it's my turn. I love to replace makeup. It's one of my favorite pranks. This time, I'll substitute her sunscreen lip balm. I'll have to buy the same lip care product she has. Remove the balm from the container. Clean it with a Q-tip. Melt white chocolate. Place it in a bowl of water to prevent its burning and put it in a microwave. Fill the container with the melted chocolate. Clean it. Put on the top and place it in a freezer. Replace the balm. My friend doesn't suspect anything. The white chocolate looks exactly like the sunscreen lip balm. She tries to apply it on her lips, but she fails. What's wrong? The smell is strange. I help her understand. I bite a piece. Mmm, tasty. Oh dear, I wish she could see her face. She likes taking pictures. Let her worry about her smartphone camera. Shade a piece of thin clear tape with a blue marker. Tape the camera. Remove the excess color, leaving it on the camera only. Dark blue won't be visible on the dark camera. Check how it works. Perfect! Everything is so blue! Ask your friend to take a picture of you on her phone. She turns on the camera, but there's something wrong with it. It seems there's some blue light filter on. Finally, she guesses who is to blame. Go on, spoil a PC mouse this time. You can easily stop a mouse from working by taping the light sensor on the underside. Clear tape will do. Cut off a small piece. Tape the sensor. What's wrong with this mouse? It worked properly a minute ago. What's happened? It's plugged in. Oh, what's this? Tape? She's pranked me again. I can't leave it as it is. I'll use my favorite prank with an egg. It looks like an ordinary one, but there's glitter inside. You should empty an egg first. Break the shell with an awl. Make a small hole. Close it with your finger and turn it over. Prick the shell on the opposite side. Make a tiny hole. Shake the egg. Blow the filling through the prick into a glass. Put a paper cone into the bigger hole. Pour some glitter. Press the cone to let the sparkles get inside. Remove the excess. Your friend won't guess about the revenge. Aha! I've caught you! Take it! No! You won't do it! Oh my god! It's glitter! Cleaning the shells and scattered glitter is the only snag of this prank. Are you tired and hungry? Take a rest and eat a cake. Take a macaroon and mustard. Take apart the cake halves. Add the mustard. Spread it with your finger to hide it inside. Help yourself. She may guess about the trick, but the cake looks so tempting. Crunch! You've spoiled my cake! You're pranking again. It's okay anyway. Hi, are you drawing? I'm going to paint. I've got all the necessary stuff. A brush and paints. Well, I'll eat the paints. Mmm, delicious. I adore it. Would you like to taste? Yes, you did it. You couldn't help trying it. Okay, I'll tell you what it's made from. You'll need hot milk and some sugar. Stir well. The main ingredient is gelatin. Pour in the milk syrup. Mix well to dissolve the gelatin without lumps. We'll need the mixture soon. Take a few plastic cups. Add a little liquid food coloring in each. Take the milk jelly. It's still liquid. Use a big syringe without a needle to avoid it sprinkling out. A 20 milliliter one will do. Pour a little jelly in each cup. Stir the paint with the liquid using a wooden stick. We've got rainbow colors. Pour the painted jelly in the palette. Fill each section. Let it cool. It looks like a real paint palette. You'll never say it's a fake. The paints hold well and don't slip off. It's perfect stuff to play a trick on your friends. Outdoor painting is a good leisure activity, but what is more, it allows you to play tricks on your friend. She ate her paints, and I'll taste the colored water I rinsed my brush in. Are you surprised? Worried? Take a sip, and you'll get it. Add a little citric acid in a glass with sugar. Pour in lukewarm water. Add red food coloring. Stir well. Done! Fill the water container with the colored syrup. Put on the top. If you have a double container, pour the sweet drink in one section and use the other to rinse your brush. Do you like getting coffee to go? Be careful with the cup. Cut out the bottom of a paper cup. Cover the top with a piece of plastic wrap and press it to sag. Pour in a little water. Put on the top. Cut off the excess. My friend opens her coffee. Oops! Waterfall! Oh yes, our pranks seem to be a bottomless source of fun. Your friends got bored. Entertain her with your fidget spinner. Take off the cap. Squeeze some hot glue over the bearing. Put the cap back. My friend looks over my shoulder to read my messages. Let her use my fidget spinner to have fun. Oh, there's something wrong. It doesn't spin as quickly as it should, no matter how she tries. The perfect time for pranking is when your friend's asleep. Work on her image while she's napping. Tickle her nose with a brush. Is she still asleep? Then let's do it. We've got 2 pieces of green fur. Attach double-sided tape to the back. Stick the fluffy brows to her face. Smooth them. Wow, my friend looks like a sleeping beauty. Her napping's affected her brows growth. I should hurry up to take a selfie together with her while she's asleep. The moment she wakes up is worth watching as well. The soft drink pranks are our favorites. Put a pack of jellies in a glass. Choose bright red. Pour in hot water and stir. Put in the fridge until hardened. It looks like a glass of juice, but if you turn it over, the drink will stay inside. Take 2 of the same glasses. There's the red jelly in one and juice of the same color in the other. Take the juice and give the other glass to your friend. She's busy with her phone as usual. That's why she doesn't notice the trick at first. Finally, she sees what's going wrong and smiles, and then we laugh together. Does your friend take your makeup without asking? Leave your special hand cream where she can easily find it. Put melted butter in an empty cream jar. Mix it to get a cream consistency. Oh, it's a new hand cream. I should try it. She'll permit it anyway. But there's something wrong with it. The smell is odd. It absorbs in a strange way. Maybe it's expired. I'd better wash my hands. Be sure to subscribe together with your friends. Click the like button and ring the bell. Watch new videos and share them on social networking sites.